Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we have some heavy snow coming down right now. I think we're in the purple bands of coloration on the weather radar that they were talking about or warning us about. I think from here on, it's currently like 4 of 5 o'clock. I've already been up for an hour doing some shoveling. It's too early to start the snowblower, but we're supposed to get like 1 to 2 inches an hour from here. Told maybe 7, so maybe another 4 inches. I can believe that because as soon as I shoveled, it seemed like there was an inch where I had previously shoveled. So yeah, you can see here, I think it's currently 4:57 and it's March 4th. Yeah, my hand's shaking because my sugar's probably low. I didn't eat breakfast yet. Is that going to refocus? I don't think there's enough light. Anyways, yeah, it's really coming down. I want to take the snow that's accumulated on the greenhouse roof off because, well, I don't have all the panels in, but still, if we're going to get another 4 inches, this is heavy, wet snow too, by the way. So I have to take the snow off or it's probably going to collapse. So I already dragged the ladder out into the greenhouse, and I'll come up from underneath where the panels are missing. Boy, the storm really changed from what they were predicting last night. Even yesterday evening, they had changed. They had upped the totals. And then I think they reduced the totals, and then this morning was looking at the same weather channel, local channel, and I see 8 to 10, a band right smack dab where I am in the middle. I'm like in the middle, so I can believe it. I think we already have, we might already have like 6 inches out there. And it's a heavy, wet, pasty snow. It's the type of snow that you just take a snowball and start rolling it, and before you know it, you've got, 6-foot diameter snowball that all of a sudden just stops because it glues itself to the ground. But enough yapping. I have to get out there and see what I got a broom out there. I need to make something like a squeegee type of thing with a long pole that I can just use from the outside without having to climb anything. So that's a project for today, besides using the snowblower later on.
So it's a good thing I took the snow off of the roof of the panels on that greenhouse, because they're predicting 8 to 12 inches now, so there was a lot of weight on that roof just with the panels that I have installed. And you can see here, if you look on top of that beehive right there, hoping to get a swarm this spring. It looks like there's a foot already on that nuke. It almost looks like it's the height of the nuke. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do have 12 inches, and probably going to get, it's 10 of 7, and I think, I mean, it looks like it's stopping in Western Mass, but we might still have an hour to go here. The snowflakes aren't as big. They were pretty large snowflakes an hour ago, but yep, this turned out to be anywhere. It was like 2 to 6, I think they were predicting, and then all of a sudden it jumped up to this 8 to 12. So I still have to go out there with the snowblower. Okay, so it's 8:30 now, and anywhere from 10 to 12 inches, I think. If you look on top of the bird feeder there, looks like there's about a foot of snow on top of that, just like the nuke I showed earlier. So now it's time to fire up the snowblower. Probably about an hour's worth of work. Alright, let's see if we can check the depth of the snow here. This looks like a good spot right here. Oh, maybe 13 inches. Right. And there's the snowblower, all covered in snow. Well, that's that. I know I'm going to be sore tomorrow, but at least we're getting some melting today too. But then we're going to get into the deep freeze after this, so a couple of days of not getting out of the 20s, so everything's going to be ice. So this is New England Gardening. Today's Monday, March 4th. Thought we were going to get out of this winter without a significant snow storm, but was not the case. So thanks for watching. Come on, spring.